Unraveling the mysteries of participles in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a very interesting topic in the English language: participles. If you've ever heard of them and wondered, what exactly are participles? Then you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what they are but also how to use them effectively in your daily English. So, let's get started on this grammatical adventure. A participle is a form of a verb that is used in a sentence to modify a noun, noun phrase, pronoun, or verb. English has two types of participles: present participles and past participles. Present participles always end in ing. For example, in the sentence, "The barking dog startled the postman," barking is a present participle that describes the dog. Past participles often end in ed, d, t, n, or n. For example, "The baked cookies smell delicious." Here, baked is a past participle describing the cookies. Participles are important because they allow us to add more information to a sentence, making our communication richer and more detailed. Participles can function as adjectives, becoming part of the predicate, or work in participle phrases. Here's how they can be used. As adjectives, present and past participles can describe nouns or pronouns. For instance, "The running water is cold." "A broken vase lay on the floor." In participial phrases, participles can lead phrases that provide more information about a subject or object. For example, "Running down the street, the thief escaped the scene." "The vase, broken by the cat, was a family heirloom." To form perfect verb tenses, past participles are also used with have verbs to form perfect tenses. For example, "I have finished my homework." "She has walked to school." In passive constructions, they are used in passive voice to show the action performed on the subject. For instance, "The song was written by a famous composer." While participles enhance our writing, they can also lead to errors if not used properly. Here are some common mistakes to watch out for. Dangling participles. A dangling participle is when the modifier in a sentence does not logically refer to any word in the sentence. This can lead to confusion or unintended humor. For example, incorrect. "Driving like a maniac. The fence was quickly approaching." Correct. "Driving like a maniac. He saw the fence quickly approaching." Misrelated participles. This is when a participle phrase is closer to a word it doesn't modify, making the sentence awkward or unclear. Correct placement is key. Incorrect. "After rotting in the cellar, my brother brought up some oranges." Correct. My brother brought up some oranges that had been rotting in the cellar. And that's a wrap on participles. I hope this video has cleared up any confusion and equipped you with a better understanding of how to use participles in English. Remember, they can be powerful tools to add detail and depth to your sentences, so practice using them in your writing and speaking. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English language tips. Happy learning!